Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Nandito na naman kami sa kitchen. Nag-prepare ng dinner.
Hey guys! Welcome back to Earth!
So, ito ang aming niluluto. Broccoli and mushroom na may chicken breast. Tapos si daddy naman, gumawa siya ng, hay, sunog na! Wedges! Tapos, gagawa din kami ng chicken tortilla. Ayan, ang request ng mga bata. Si baby, nag-grate siya ng cheese.
Because I'm great.
So, inaano pa namin to. Pinapalamig kasi mainit pa. Maya-maya pa namin balutin. Tapos, namin siya ipapainit lang sa pan. Ayan, si kuya kumakain ng wedges. Mainit pa yan. Be careful.
Not the hot one.
Meron din kami nito, ang tamis.
Wait, it's hot.
At saka ito.
These are the...
So, magulo na naman ang aming kitchen. Hey, what are you doing?
What happened to this?
So, back to cooking na naman tayo. Ano, B? Walang katapusang cooking.
Food is nice.
Ano, overcook na.
Munti ka pa.
Na-overcook na ang ating gulay. Oo. Cooking time again. Nag-request kasi ang mga bata ng ano chicken tortilla. So, tikman na natin. Sarap. Bibahingi ako nung malaking bowl. Ay,
Pinasa ko muna. Hey!
pupunasan mo? Ano yan? Hey, don't fight.
Kuya.
Okay, these two are fighting because of the wedges.
Ano ito?
Enough here.
Ano ito?
Enough na, Bing. Mababasag na yan.
Yours is so fishy.
Ay, lalagay ko na to. Pagkatapos nito, magbabalot na tayo ng ano. Baby, are you done with the cheese?
No. Wait, can you give me some cheese? Can you give me some cheese? Can you give me some cheese? Can you give me some? Because I want.
Ano ba yan, hindi? Yung cheese?
Lalagyan pa ng mozzarella.
So, enough na yan. Okay.
Kasi yung skin sa mozzarella.
Ito, kailangan mo ba to? So, for hugasin na to. Baby.
Ito na.
Tapos na kami magluto. Magbabalot na. Saan? Ay, oo. Pinaglagyan ko yun ng... Ay! Nagkalat na. Naglagyan ko yun ng broccoli kanina eh. Nasaan na?
You're not allowed to take.
Magbabalot na tayo.
With the glorious amount of cheese.
Why are you eating that?
Wait. Baby, can you give me tissue?
Yeah.
Can you give me the tissue? And get the tortilla bread. Ay, babe, off. Off mo na. Pati pinakulo ko. Oo, para mas malambot madaling hulugan. Saan ba?
Can I help, Mommy?
Yeah, but I want you to wash your hands.
Wash your hands and brush your teeth.
And go to bed and sleep. Ito na, magbabalot na tayo. Sure ka, pwede pa to.
Gusto mo?
Ano pa ka na? Baby, can you put this in between? Can you sit here? Okay pa. Okay, get some... Kailangan natin ng ano doon.
Yan na.
Yun, yung maliit na lalagyan. Para hindi natin siya Kasi baka masira pag kinamay-kamay ito eh. Baby. Ay, ihalo ko na lang. Okay.
Sour cream and chicken.
Tatakang ba't kailangan?
Oo.
Can I?
Ako na. Madami ba, Di? Can you get pork, baby? Ayun. Baby, get pork.
No pork?
Yeah.
Can I mix it, Mommy? Please.
Okay.
Please, Mom. Please,
Wait,
Mom.
ito.
Please.
More?
You know that I work in Daddy.
Okay. Oh, this much?
Sige pa.
Ha? Ang dami na puro. Ay! Tapon na.
Taste test.
Hey, don't eat it.
Just kidding. I didn't even put it in my mouth.
So, enough?
Wixie, wixie.
Careful. Can you get another tissue?
Can I help
tissue?
you make it, Mom?
Yeah, ay, wait. Bakit mo ginano yung kamay mo dyan?
What do you mean?
Okay. Yes. Yeah, that one. And then,
Okay, this is my plate.
alin?
Yung basahan na katulad yung nagdari.
Hindi ko nga alam kung meron pa sa ilalim eh.
Yan lang.
Dun sa basket, dun sa ano natin, cabinet. Kaya nga hindi ko pa chinutek. Baby, I need scissor.
Bakit yung producer, hindi ba?
Oo nga. Get a scissor, please.
What?
You need for this.
So what
Ah.
is it?
No need. Okay, get spoon.
I'm holding the phone.
And this one dito. Okay, let's put it here.
Careful. This one for you and one for me. So I think let's chicken goes first, right?
Wait. Hey, how can we... Okay, don't finish it. Okay, another one for... Hey, here. Another spoon for this. So, ito ang aming sour cream. Mixture ng, of course, lemon and cream. All-purpose cream. Ito yung aming cheese. Ano to? Cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. Okay, let's start, baby.
Okay, what do you do first? Show me. Demonstrate.
First,
Hi.
put the chicken. Masyadong maliit yung ano natin. And then, the cream. I think cream.
So you said to put
Put cream.
chicken.
Cream. Bakit dyan?
What do
And
you
then
mean?
cheese.
Wait for me. I got blue
And then, si daddy ang
the roll.
ano, no. Ikaw din magpapainit sa pan? Sa pan ba o sa air fryer?
A little bit.
Or
Is that good, mommy?
parang mas, it's too much.
Come on.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll save these
And
for later.
then,
How about now?
fold it like this. Naku, mahihirapan ka.
No, I won't. There's no impossible.
Ah, we
thing.
need to take.
The possible just takes longer.
Okay, mamaya, ano.
Okay, is this enough?
I think it's too much. Look. This is what I need. Okay, get another plate.
Why?
We need it. See, ito na yung ginawa ko. I think we don't need toothpick. Kasi mamaya, ipapainit ko na. Okay.
Okay, go to the
Tapos ko ng isa.
bottle. Ay!
Give me the spoon. Sabay ka. Pangit, no? Hindi kasi wala akong magamit kahapon.
Is this enough, mommy?
This one's only, ano? Oh, this.
Is this good?
Okay. Okay, try.
Wait, let me take it out first.
Oh, that's my, ano pala.
Laundry.
Yeah. Put a little
She has done the one and I didn't even do a single one yet. I'm waiting her to be done with the spins. Okay, I think I'm just gonna add.
Are you sure you can do it?
Yeah.
Of course. Slowly.
Just a little bit. Is that enough? Is
A
that
little
good?
bit more.
That's good.
So this is one of their favorite food. Diba, baby?
Yippers. I love.
So you're not gonna eat rice? Huh?
I don't know.
Only this?
Is this enough?
May oil na to.
Wala pa. Pwede mo nang lagyan.
Hindi mo dalitan.
It's too much. Hindi na yung magkakasya, ah. Oh.
Okay, I'll save these ones for later.
Daddy is
For the
doing the
next
dishes.
one.
Habang
Is this
kami
enough?
nagbabalot. Yeah. Para mamaya, wala na kami mga
How
masyadong
do you
hugasan.
fold it?
Like this, okay. Watch me, nene.
Watch me back. Watch me nene. Watch me back. Web.
Okay.
And then,
Hold it like this.
So-
Ba't pabaliktad sa'yo?
I go. I ah. Oh my God,
Nahihirapan
mine is
siya.
dripping. Mine is dripping. I can do this.
You can do it. You can do it.
I think I did it too.
Do you remember that? You can do it. Okay, show it to them.
I broke mine. Yeah.
Wait, wait.
That's good. Is that
It's
good?
okay.
It's okay.
Ito, kakain yan.
Okay, so I know what I'm doing now.
Tagal na kasi tayo hindi gumawa nito eh, di ba?
I'm gonna put 2 scoops.
Okay, wait. Oh, that's enough.
Okay.
Parang masyadong marami.
And
Okay,
I'm
wait.
gonna put some sour cream. Not a little.
Who made the sour cream? You?
Daddy made it, but I mixed it.
Mm.
Gonna put some. And the leftover cheese I used to have in the other one, I put too much, a little too much, and all that.
Nagkukudkod si daddy ng kaserola. Ay, ng pan.
Hindi ba?
Hindi naman.
What are you doing?
It's really delicious.
Doing the dishes because you're not doing it.
Yeah. You should do
Hey,
it.
I get good grades in school. You should be good.
Oh.
I'm just kidding.
It does not have anything to do with doing your chores.
Yes.
That's teamwork. It's me. Ito ang brings to. Tama ko na.
Okay. Okay.
Pasok ko to.
Yes. Pakilagay na lang dun sa laundry basket.
Add a lot of cheese, like you said.
Okay. Give it to me.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork.
Tortilla. I think we're missing out on the chicken. Missing some chicken.
Wow, ang dami.
How many is that?
Meron ka pang merienda
So many
tomorrow.
ugly ones because I made them.
I think 2 more na. Okay. Okay. Put the cream.
A little bit of cream. 2 dots should be
Galing
fine.
naman ng nani.
I want to.
So next time, ikaw na lang gagawa ha.
No, thank you. I can't even fold it right.
Just come this girl.
I'm just a girl.
Okay, I think last. Last?
This is gonna be the last one. It's gonna be the last one. Is this enough?
Put on. Last na yun.
I think that's a little too much. Can I have this scoop?
Okay, sure. Okay. Put the cream. It's okay, it's okay.
I'm trying to
Okay,
spread
put
it.
more.
More?
Yeah.
What?
A little bit more. Put a little.
Let's see. So,
Okay, then cheese.
let's see how cheese would taste with sour cream. Okay.
So, ayan guys. Tapos na kaming nagbalot. And, tinan nyo, ang dami naming nagawa. O, di ba ang dami? Ngayon, papainit na natin sa pan. Wait lang. So, ayan na guys. Papainit ko lang na ganito. Pasensya na kayo sa aming kawali. Kasi, ang dungis na. Unahin natin yung mga pangit. Ang pagkabalot. Careful, baby. Oh, manghulog pa dyan, anak ko.
Sour cream in here.
No, it's okay. Hindi na natin kailangan yan, anak.
We're gonna throw it. Okay.
Ang konti naman na eh.
I wash the dishes.
Wow, very good naman ang nani.
Oh, just because I'm feeling bored today.
Ayan, pinuno ko na siya para mabilis. Ayan, tapos maya-maya balik rin lang natin. Ganun. Very good naman ang nani. Naghuhugas.
I didn't even get the sponge yet.
Wash it properly, ha?
Watch this.
O siya naman daw maghuhugas.
Bakit mo nilagay dito?
Ang dungis! Grabe guys yung mga kalan namin. Oh. I mean, kalan, ang ba? Lutuan. Kailangan nang bumili. Zunog na yata, zunog. Oh. Balik rin natin para ano. Ayan, okay na to no? Ganyan. Ikaw nga. Nahirapan ako. Siniksik ko na eh, para mabilis. Mga binalot niya ni baby. Inuna na namin.
Mine, broke. Let's just say that.
It's okay. Painit ko na tong tinola.
Are we gonna have that as dinner? Or are we gonna have it?
Yeah. No, ngayon na.
Yeah. One bowl, complete.
Di pa open. Sunog na yata.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi pa, konti pa. So, Itong mga bata, ito na dinner nila.
This one is complete.
Irene, magbangon ka nito bukas, oh. Ang dami. Gusto, ipainit ko na ngayon, no? Para ano? Ipainit mo na lang ulit sa sa office. May air fryer ba kayo doon? Ay, oo. Parang yung oven. Ay, oven. Ano ba yun? Hindi pa, konti pa. Yeah. Ganyan lang. Okay. Okay na yan. Lagyan mo lang na ganyan. Anak, yung tubig! Isang drum na ang naubos mo dyan.
I'm trying to figure out how to
It's okay, it's okay. Okay na yan. Done?
do that.
Thank you. Very good naman talaga ang nani. Pabisong nga. Pabisong.
Anak ko.
Arapop, tarabisong. Means hug and kisses.
In Ilocano.
Oh, in Ilocano what? Pabisong.
Can I eat?
Okay. Hindi ka na makakakain mamaya, ah.
I will. Watermelon.
Okay, keep mo na to. Ilagay mo na yan dito. Tomorrow na to. Snacks niyo ni Kuya. Marami na, ang dami pala itong pinainit ko.
Mommy wants watermelon in flour, yes?
Pakwan.
It's a pakwan.
Pakwan. Eh, I'm burping.
What?
I'm hungry.
I love that nation.
Yeah. Kaya naman ang nanin. Tinulungan niya si Mami magbalot ng tortilla. Tapos naghugas pa siya ng mga plato. Yeah. Ikaw gumawa niyan.
I'm gonna eat that, don't worry. Also that one.
Yeah, lahat yan.
I just swallowed a seed.
It's okay. Ayaw mo nun. Tutubo ang watermelon dito sa body mo. Then we don't need to buy watermelon. Di ba?
You're mean.
Pili na tayo sa watermelon. Almost done. I love you too. I think pwede na to. Pwede na, pwede. Pwede na to, right?
Mm-hmm. Toasty.
Yes. Okay, it's time to eat. And syempre, Pilipino ako, iba-iba ang plato ko. Ayan, oh. Dali na, kain na tayo kasi gabi na.
Wala pa tayo.
Guys, para.
Oh, they hit you. Can you please take one?
Mommy, can we take now?
Yeah. Hindi, yan na dinner nila.
Are you
Okay. Parang alam mo yung
I want to eat mine.
okay na yung kanin mo?
Oh, how yours can?
Oh, that's me.
Okay lang yun.
Mm.
Oh, how is it?
I had to ask
How's it?
How's it? Only got the skin. I mean, like the shell.
Okay, iwan natin ito
Then I
para
had asthma. I was supposed to have asthma.
Bye guys, kain muna kami.
Bye.
Bye.